Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Bonk token. I'm sure you guys are looking at the title, and I'm sure you guys know this right here is a really exciting update for Bonk. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at Bonk, it's killing it. Once it has entered back into the top 100 ranks in cryptocurrency market ranking, we've seen Bonk continuously, going towards the upside, and it's actually shocking a lot of people, especially the haters that were, really talking quite negative about Bonk just 2 days back. 2 days back, if you watch my update, even though Bonk price was down quite sharply, I did say that me personally, I think it's not over at all. Because of the overall narrative, what Bonk is doing, we haven't seen a meme coin do what they are doing, the way they're giving back, the way they're engaging with their community. It's just different. And on top of that, Solana's momentum goes hand in hand. And I'm thinking, as we do go further into this bull market, Bonk is really going to be one of the coins that is going to be watched very closely as far as meme coins are concerned. So let's get into the update. Before I do get into that, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the rank, guys. The 74th rank. 74th rank in a matter of 2 days. Literally 2 days ago, Bonk was sitting at 102 spot in the cryptocurrency market ranks. And if you watch that update, I said, I don't expect Bonk to be, below the, top 100 for too long. And look at what happened. I'm not like no magician, but sometimes, if you look at the bigger picture, if you look at the vision, it's just quite there right in front of you, and that's literally it when it comes to Bonk and for me. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. If we're looking at the price right now, there's still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 1529. As mentioned, it's up 20% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 22% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap, on the other hand, is approaching that crucial key resistance level, which is at $1 billion mark. We did almost touch that $1 billion mark a few hours back. We're seeing a little bit of a minor retracement. Meanwhile, the 24-hour trading volume is at 553.1 million. So basically, the buying pressure for Bonk over the past 5 days, I'm sorry, not even 5 days, in the past 2 days, the trading volume has increased 5 times. Oh yeah. And if that doesn't tell you the momentum, I don't know what will. But let's step a little further and see what exactly is going on. So Bonk tweeted this out today, and this really gets me excited. And this is something I've been quite clear on when it comes to Bonk, and you guys can see this for yourself. They come out and say the first week of 2024 came and went. So let's kind of hold on there. Can we all agree that time is flying? It just feels like yesterday that it was New Year's, and we're already past 1 week. And I'm personally thinking the year 2024 is going to fly in a snap of a finger, and we're going to be looking at time back literally in December and be like, wait, what? 1 year is already gone? So it's scary to say the least. If you agree with that, let me know in the comments. And also you can see it says, time to recognize the past to plan for the future and keep building for the new year. 10 chains, 600,000 plus unique holders, and 42 exchanges. Thank you all, 2023 Bonk ecosystem builders and integrations. I'll look at Bonk 2023 highlights. Of course, if you follow Bonk on Twitter, I would strongly suggest you guys to kind of go look at the highlight. Of course, if you are a holder, that is really beneficial. But look what they're doing. And this is something I've been quite clear on. This is giving me the Shiba Inu vibes. Literally so much, to the fact that, it's no secret. Shiba Inu, a meme coin that launched out of thin air and, managed to bring in utility, and it went to some market valuation that no one ever expected. Bonk is doing the exact same. But the thing I like about Bonk is the unique way of giving back. The unique way of giving back to their holders, the community members, and 600,000 plus unique holders. I know some people come out and say, oh, 600,000 unique holders, we shouldn't really be looking at it because this was an airdrop. Yeah, that sheds a great light on Bonk. It just shows that the team is actually here to give back rather than, you know, fill their own pockets, and, you know, it gives more and more people exposure to Bonk, which is really, really nice to see. So love what they're doing. If they continue doing what they're doing right now, I think this could be a huge plus point, you know, in terms of its price and of course its success as we do go further into the bull market. And you can see 42 exchanges. You know, we're listed on majority of all the big exchanges when it comes to centralized exchange. Majority of the tier 1 exchanges have already listed Bonk, and again, that speaks for itself as well. But let's talk about the price. Before we get into the price, let me just quickly go over BTC. So now you guys might be a little confused because tomorrow is the 10th. You know, you guys know tomorrow a lot of people are anticipating, you know, us to hear something regarding the ETF, whether it's going to be approved, whether it's going to be delayed. You know, so far we've heard a lot of good developments coming out, so you guys might be confused. Why is the price of Bitcoin retracing right now? Reason as to why the price of BTC is retracing right now is because sell the news. There's still a little bit of uncertainty out there that, you know, there could be a delay. Let's not get that out of the way. There's always that thing that you need to keep in your mind. It's not 100% certain as of now. There is still quite a little bit of uncertainty whether or not we're going to see a delay or not, and that is causing some people to lock in profits a little early. But you know, the way BTC continues to hold is absolutely great. It's obviously being supported by its previous high, which was, of course, now a support line for us at $45,864, which is really, really nice to see. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is pulling down a little bit, which is causing majority of the altcoins to fall right now because Bitcoin also has seen a little bit of a retracement. So that explains as to why we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. But tomorrow is really, really important. But as far as Bonk is concerned, guys, let's take a look at Bonk because this is really, really exciting to say the least. So basically, you can see just on the 7th, you know, we saw Bonk retest this crucial level of support. And you can see this for yourself. If you had your buy orders placed in around here, you are up. You saw Bonk go up 83% in 2 days. Like, I cannot wrap my head around this. 83% gain in a matter of 2 days. If this does not tell you, you know, the momentum strength, I don't know what will. And now what we're seeing happening is, you know, Bonk holding above this crucial level of resistance. And again, you know the significance of this resistance. I spoke about this yesterday. We retested this resistance yesterday, but saw a little bit of a minor rejection. But pretty much after this resistance broke out, we saw an additional 28.39% move towards the upside. And right now what we're seeing is the 16169 zone playing as a level of resistance for us because we did get stopped out of there. Now hear me out. If we're able to break out of here, we could see Bonk heading back above that $1 billion mark. So it's going to be really, really exciting to see how things play out. Let me know down below what you guys think. If you are one of the early comers that was picking up the bloodbath over the past 2 days and you are up almost double your money, you know, let's not get greedy. Do lock some of those profits in because that is a significant gain. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. But this is really, really nice to see. Let me know down below what you guys think. And of course, thank you for all your support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.